Hello, I'm Amy Dabell, Norwex independent consultant. Guys, I had to make this video. Joining Norwex is a life-changing experience, and I would love to partner with you. In this video, I'm here to help you determine if Norwex would be a great fit for you and your family like it was for mine. Cleaning this way honestly changes so much of how our home feels. Currently, Norwex is in 3% of homes, and we want to make that 4% by the end of this year. And I would love if you would join me in sharing our mission, which is amazing. We have been around for 30 years, truly a stable company. And joining our Norwex community has so many benefits. It's a business that rewards our passions. The chance to earn so many Bright Start rewards, which is our incentive program, and other perks like the annual incentive trip. We save 35% on all of our Norwex purchases. Plus, we get Office Suite, which is a personal website free for the first 3 months when we enroll for Office Suite during our sign-up process. Plus, the best part, we get to promote proven, sustainable home, family, and personal care products that are free of harmful chemicals. I have learned so much along the way. It has enabled me to truly care for my family in a different way. We also receive valuable training, and they invest in us with 24/7 access to the most amazing marketing tools. We also earn 35% commission on all of our sales, so our effort can pay off and further help our families thrive. There are 3 ways to join Norwex this month. There's 3 amazing kit options for you to choose from now until noon Central Time on May 1st. Option 1 is our Earth Day Real Conversations Kit. It is $39.99 plus $9.95 shipping and handling, and it includes the refrigerator drawer liners in mushroom with sage trim, fresh produce wash, and our veggie and fruit scrub cloth, which you are going to love. Option 2 is our Safe Haven 5 kit. It is $87 plus tax and $9.95 shipping and handling. It includes everything you need to detox what's under your sink. Your EnviroCloth, window cloth, power cleaning paste, the dusting mitt in teal, Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent, which is an all-star. You also get a catalog and some share cards. Option 3 is our amazing starter kit. It is $200 plus tax and $9.95 shipping and handling, and you can earn this free through our Bright Start program. It includes everything. Like, this box is our standard starter kit. Your EnviroCloth, window cloth, power cleaning paste, dusting mitt, Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent, a complete Superior Mop starter system, the rubber brush, and a 3-pack of our body and face cloths in graphite. Plus, you get 10 Norwex opportunity brochures, the Bright Start Consultant Rewards brochure, catalogs, sharing cards, order forms, hostess forms, and an awesome carry-all tote. Now, you probably want to know, how do I get started with one of these 3 ways to join this month? Simply let me know how you would like to join and which option is right for you, 1, 2, or 3. This is a limited time opportunity. It is only available from now until noon Central Time on May 1st, 2024. All 3 kit options, though, have the same earning opportunity. Yes, regardless of which kit you choose, all consultants immediately save 35% on all of their personal retail purchases and 35% commission on all of your personal retail sales when you share Norwex with the people you care about. We also have amazing upgrade packages. Be sure to check those out. They are only available at sign up, and we get an extra discount on them. When you purchase an upgrade package, it counts towards your personal retail sales and the incentives we have through the Bright Start program. All 3 joining options receive Office Suite for free for the first 3 months. This is our personal website to share with others, and that alone is a $29.97 value, but you must enroll for that during the sign-up process. You can also choose to add an upgrade package with any of the joining options this month, but the upgrade kit must be purchased during the enrollment process as well. Plus, all 3 joining options are eligible for Norwex Bright Start rewards. There is no sales requirement with our Earth Day Real Conversations kit or our Safe Haven 5 kit. However, if you do submit $1,000 in retail sales in your first 30 days or $2,000 in 90 days, Norwex is going to ship you this entire starter kit for free. Now, if you join with the standard starter kit, you pay only $9.99 and it gets shipped to you immediately. And to earn it for free, you would need to have $1,000 in retail sales in your first 30 days or $2,000 in retail sales in your first 90 days. But if you don't reach either of those sales requirements in your first 90 days, you will be charged $200 plus tax. But trust me, it's worth a lot more than that. Now, all joining options are also eligible to earn Norwex discounts, trip miles, and recognition. Basically, no matter how a new consultant starts and joins our company, all programs and incentives apply. Please let me know if you have any questions at all, and I hope you enjoyed this video.